This is Pelcro's customer activity dashboard, which segments your users based off of activity. So for example, you can see all users who have not seen a paywall, who have seen a page, or who have canceled their subscription. You can click on it and you can see a lot more information on detail. And today I'll show you how to actually create automations based off of this data. So once you get into your segments tab, you can tap new segment. And choose, your segment, your object type. For example, for this, we will use customers because we're talking about the customer activity page. And you can enter a segment name, for example, users who have been logged out for 10 days. Okay. And we're going to scroll all the way down to events, and you're going to select performance. So has performed, select event logged out, right? A frequency, exactly 10 relative. So 10 days. Perfect. And you're going to create the segment and save it. After you've created your segment, you can go into workflows, which is also under the automations tab. And you can click new automation. And from here, you can add a name. For example, users who have been logged out for 10 days. You can choose the automation action to be creation. And from here, you can choose your campaign key, your customer segments, which is the one that we just created. You can choose a campaign prefix. So for example, and then you can choose the plan. So this would be, for example, users who have been logged out for 10 days on their daily plan, which has auto renewal. From here, you can choose the automation outcome. In my case, I will choose send email. And you can actually write the email directly from Pelcro now. So you can choose your subject line, the body of the email. And from here, you can save your workflow. And after this automation goes live, every single time a user on the plan that we've selected will have been logged out for 10 days, they will receive this email from your account.